Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Motorola One 5G Ace with a cracked display, and David will fix it for us. So let's get started. So in this repair, we haven't really shown the actual removal of the back cover. So we haven't recorded that one. We'll jump right into when we tested the replacement display. The display is still attached. The original one that is broken is still attached. We are testing the replacement display by attaching it to the back of the device. So David has been busy for quite some time, so he is really focusing on completing some repairs. So that's why we haven't captured the first part of this repair. So we'll detach the display for now. This is good. This is a good sign. The smartphone is responding to touch. The display itself has no dead pixels or damage to the panel. So we'll remove the display, detach the battery, and remove the battery because the connector for this display is underneath the battery. So it's another step that we need to take. So Motorola is not really that popular anymore, but we here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre are still fixing older smartphones, whether they are popular or not. If the regular person is using them, we are gonna fix it. We're gonna store some parts and of course fix it here in the shop. So this Moto One 5G Ace, quite a long name, but it's gonna get another lease of life. So we'll remove the display now. There's some shards of glass in the corner where the crack originated from, and we'll detach it. This is actually how we remove the back cover. We make some gaps, keep them open, and then spray some IPA to soften the adhesive and slice through it. You can see there David is wearing his thick gloves again so that he doesn't get injured by the shards of glass that are flying around. If you're gonna try this on your own smartphone, if you're gonna DIY your repairs, just make sure you have the proper gear. So when you have a badly cracked display, you will be safe. So we'll remove the connector that we have detached, and then open it up, and there you go. I'm gonna scrape off the excess adhesive. So the corners have shards of glass. There you go. Slice it off. David is very meticulous when it comes to prepping the frame for the installation of a new display. That's just how it is. If you go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you get quality service, and the cleaning in itself is quite impeccable. So when we install this, it's gonna be fit perfectly onto the frame. There you go. It's all prep work, baby. So we'll attach the display now to the main board and route this properly at the back, and then install the battery over the display connector, attach the battery, and next is the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner is in itself a separate module. It's on the back of the smartphone, not on the power button. So we'll attach it right here. It's like a silver with a Motorola logo in the middle. So without the fingerprint scanner, I think the smartphone will still work, but you can't log in using your fingerprint. So attach that, and then put the mainboard shroud. There you go. and then put back all the screws. And we're gonna be almost done. Lots of screws, but they're, I think, the same sizes. There we go. We'll power this on, and it's powering on. So we'll speed this up and cover the device. So if you're interested in a Moto One 5G Ace, if you have a Samsung, if you have an iPhone, we will fix it for you as long as we can source the parts and we agree on the price. If you're outside of Sydney or outside of Australia, you can also mail in your smartphone to us and we'll fix it here in the shop and then mail it back to you once we are done. So the display here, it's quite dirty, so we are going to clean this up and put a fresh layer of, I think, plastic, not tempered glass, just flexible plastic, so it's an added scratch protection. Look at this. David is just, he's not gonna let this go if it's not perfect. Look at this. It looks brand new. It looks fresh from the factory. There you go. This is the quality of service you get from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and I hope this inspired you to fix your own smartphone and not buy a brand new one here in 2026. Save your money, save your data, and of course, save the environment. You're not throwing away e-waste. You're gonna reuse a perfectly good smartphone that just needs a battery or a new display. So we'll throw this cover in for free. And that's it. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.